All right, I'm headed to DIY Network Ultimate Retreat this year in Sapphire, North Carolina. It is absolutely gorgeous. So now I'm heading over to the house to meet my project manager, Dylan. We're gonna tour the house, put a design together to turn it into the ultimate retreat for you. It's a beautiful drive.
It's an ultimate place.
How you doing, my friend?
Good.
Good to see you. Yeah. Good to see you. The setting's absolutely beautiful. And the house
is kind of blah.
Not ultimate. For sure, it needs to just kind of come to life. We need to bring some character, and we need to bring some difference in the materials, like some stone and some beam.
You want to check it out?
You warmed up?
I think it's warmer in there.
I know. Oh yeah. With the popcorn ceiling, you would expect a kitchen that looks like this.
Yeah.
We need to add some form, we need to add some function, all right? And bringing this up to date, I love an Eden Island. This peninsula has to go. I mean, let's keep the orientation. Big Eden Island, maybe with some storage on each end. Stone countertops, sink.
Stools on the backside.
For sure. I'm gonna bring a huge sledgehammer to this place. Okay. We keep on
continuing in our circle.
All right. And then we're right back to where we started. Master bedroom, I think. That's the bathroom. You got your sink and everything right in the middle of the room. And is this where the bed was?
The bed was right here.
Wow. Okay, this needs to be completely
rearranged.
And maybe we can move the fan into the proper area. Yeah. Oh, and the popcorn. It's gotta go. Oh my goodness.
Look at this.
Gorgeous.
We've got rapids, we got a brook.
I knew there was a brook. I didn't know it was the backyard. All the way down to the river. I mean, it's your own little private paradise. I don't see another house around.
No.
It
kind of makes the retreat back here.
This is the best part of the house, for sure. I get the decks, all these elevated decks. I think what we need to do is kind of connect them all. Put some more stairs in. The balusters are obviously out of code.
Right.
We bring that up, put some cable.
So you can see through it?
Absolutely, because with a view like this, you don't want anything to be in the way. Wait, listen. You hear that?
It's a brook.
That's a brook. That's the peace and quiet. That peace and quiet is going to be broken by
lots of hammers shortly.
All right, let's get started.